Hello, I'm Carlton Reid, it's 26th of June and this is Cycling News and Views. Last Wednesday, the annual Parliamentary bike ride was attended by Transport Minister Derek Twigg and former Home Secretary Charles Clarke. The ride was held in Bike Week. Here's Bike Week's Nick Harvey.
Well, today is the Parliamentary Bike Ride, the annual event that takes place during Bike Week. 40 MPs and members of the House of Lords will be riding from here, the gymnasium outside St Pancras Station, down to the Palace of Westminster as a symbolic bike-to-work ride.
Transport Minister Derek Twigg gave a short speech before the ride started.
Congratulations to all the people involved in the cycling world who actually promote it and do a good job. Just to say a very brief few words, just to say that clearly as a government, as a department, we're very keen to promote cycling. It's great for a number of reasons, not least because it's healthy, enjoyable, helps deal with congestion. Of course, we've seen a major rise in the number of people who actually cycle, not least, of course, in London. And we have seen investment in cycling facilities increase up to 36 million for local authorities. And of course, Transport for London has invested 19 million on cycling facilities.
And I think the best thing really about an event today is to show just how varied cyclists are. We represent the community and that cycling is green and it's healthy and it's fun. Anyway, let's get on with it.
It's a new dance. Catch the new dance.
Come on, a brand new dance.
It's a new dance.
What's the fun crew?
Come bust the new dance.
Hear this. Me have a new dance and it's simple. Me have a new dance in a gospel, yo. Catch the new dance, follow me people. Bust the new dance in a gospel, yo. Bicycle, just sit down and pedal, circle down in the race. And I need no petrol. Bicycle, everybody roping, everybody riding, make it create a scene. Bicycle, yes, that are the real deal. Some of them want me, some of them what them feel. Bicycle, when you ride up hill, you have to make sure your skill cause. First thing first, you have to get in the groove. Cause you have to ready for bust the new move. Whether you're young or you old or you're hot or you're cold, rock out and let the good times roll. Put out your hand them in front of you. Then bend your knees and bend your back too. Join the bicycle race and don't wash no face. This a dance, I go bust up the place. Bicycle, just sit down and pedal, second down in the race. We don't need no petrol. Bicycle, everybody roving, everybody riding, make it create a scene. Bicycle, yes, that are the real deal. Some are really one way, some are do what them feel. Bicycle, when you are ride up, please, you have to make sure your skill cause. When you ride off, don't stop, don't mash brakes and never look back. Take the bunking like you are escape. Bust the one, be show them all you great. And then you dilly dally, check it to the holly. Everybody thinks say a bicycle wally. Me big brother Wally, me little sister Sally. I know my uncle and my uncle know me physically. Me have a new dance and it's simple. Me have a new dance in a gospel, yo. Catch the new dance, follow me people. Bust the new dance in a go puzzle, yo. Bicycle, just sit down and pedal, second down in the race, we don't need no petrol. Bicycle, everybody roping, everybody riding, make it create a scene. Bicycle, yes, that are the real deal. Some are really one way, some are do what them feel. Bicycle, when you are ride up hill, you have to make sure your skill cause. Watch Jerry D, him a do the bicycle. Watch Richie Steven, him a do the bicycle. Watch Beanie Man, him a do the bicycle. Watch Baby Sam, him a do the bicycle. All Bogle a do the bicycle. Watch Bunty Killer, I tie the bicycle. The one little Kachi, I ride the bicycle. Watch Hawkeye crash on the bicycle. Me have a new dance and it's simple. Me have a new dance in a gospel, yo. Catch the new dance.
The idea is just to promote cycling and actually for us to have a positive story about cycling for once. You know, more and more people are cycling to work and we just want to show that it's ordinary and a normal thing to do. Just have a bit of fun.